Before we dive into building your page, I want to cover a few fundamentals. What's the difference between a page and a profile? At its core, a page is for a business and a profile is for a person. But let's dive in a little deeper. Pages can get likes or fans, whereas a profile can get friends. Pages are publicly searchable, and everything you post on a Facebook page will be visible to anyone who visits the page. Profiles, on the other hand, are private, and only the person's friends can see what they post. Another big difference between pages and profiles is that you can't do paid promotions on profiles. That feature is only available on pages. One seemingly innocent mistake I see businesses make is that they create a profile for their new business. Please don't do this. Don't create a new account using your business name. I know some people really don't want their customers to be able to see their personal profile, but don't worry. Even though you'll create a new Facebook page using your personal profile, people who visit your page won't be able to see who the owner of that page is. I have seen too many heartbroken businesses lose all their hard work because they created a business profile and then got in trouble. Please let me emphasize, it is against Facebook's terms and services to create a profile for a business. If they catch you, they can delete your account, which will mean all the hard work you've done will go down the drain. If you're tempted to create a profile for your business so that your employees can log in to your business page, Facebook has an easy way to add multiple managers so you don't have to share passwords, which will help keep your account much more secure. Alright, enough with the scare tactic. Before moving on to the next sections, you will need a Facebook profile. If you already have one, you're all set. If you don't have one, go ahead and make one using your first and last name and be sure to add a profile photo. Alright, see you in the next lesson.